Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you everybody? In today's video, as you can see in the topic, is like mainly for people who are beginners in crypto. The first question they ask in my TikTok, the many people doing is where to buy cryptocurrencies and how to. One is where, then you have to decide how you're going to go about. So these things, so where to buy cryptocurrency in UAE. Basically, it's not just UAE. Throughout the world, you can use these exchanges, which I'm going to show you. And the second most important thing, the number one mistake beginners make. Honestly, I'm also a beginner. I've been into crypto only like 4 5 months now. So I made this mistake when I started. So if you can wait till the end of this video, I'm going to show you that single mistake will save you like lots of money, because crypto is a place where you lose lots of money as well as you can earn, like you can make lots of money. So two things you can do with that. But just by following this one tip, just this one tip, which will make you lots of money, guys. That one tip, all the beginners make mistake. I also made the mistake when on my first month. Then I learned how to really make sure not to make this mistake again. So two things. One is where to buy the currency, where to buy the cryptocurrency, how to go about, and I'm going to show you three of the exchanges, actually three exchanges. But I will also tell you where to find those golden coins as well, and which exchange you can make free withdrawal as well. Because you make money with cryptocurrency, but end of the day, unless you take the money out in your hand, it is not profit. It is inside your PC or inside the blockchain, inside the world where you're not having the money in your hand. Unless you withdraw the money, you will not be able to make like a, I mean, I wouldn't say it's a real profit, right? So I'm going to show you one exchange where you can make free withdrawal as well. Okay, so these three things, three exchanges I'm going to talk about, as well as one tip which will make you save lots of money. Okay, let's jump onto the video straight. So this is the my channel here. If you're first time watching, I'm more into make money online, affiliate marketing, and cryptocurrencies. I totally appreciate if you can subscribe. It will help me to grow my channel. Thanks a lot for that. Okay, let's jump on straight to the video. The first thing, as I said, is three exchange. I'm going to talk about three exchanges. Let's go one by one. So first thing first, and the top exchange I would say as a beginner is Binance. I mean, this is mainly I'm talking people in UAE. Of course, this can be used in throughout the world, but for people in UAE, Dubai, where to buy cryptocurrency, the first question if you ask, I would suggest Binance. Of course, I'm going to show you also Binance is not a locally based crypto exchange. I'm going to show you also a locally based cryptocurrency exchange. But as a beginner, I would say for trading purposes, for buying and selling, this could be the one, Binance. Okay, this could be the one exchange where you can start your journey. Okay, that's the first one, Binance. The other thing is the most important thing when you come into getting exchanges. Two things. One is after you sign up. I'm not going to show you the sign up process. It's so simple. But the biggest issue, when you do, don't use your everyday email. Don't use, if you're using that same email for your office, for your everyday purpose, don't use that email for sign up. For all the exchange which I'm showing you, try to use an email which others will not know, please. Okay, that's the most important tip I learned, because these exchanges are easily can be like hacked, or your account can be hacked easily. So that's the reason I'm telling you two things. One is you will be using your email and your phone number. If you can have your second phone number, that is also a good idea. Like same like email, I'm telling you, when you do the sign up process, use a different email. And also, if possible, for verification purposes, they will ask your phone number. Try to use a second number which you don't use regularly, but it's very hard, very hard unless you have a second phone. If not, okay, if not, use a normal number, but at least email, make sure you use a different email. Okay, that's the two tips I given you, email and the phone number. So after you sign up, the most important thing which you will be going through is this process here, which is called verification, identification. You have to give your passport as well as Emirates ID, or whichever like you have your verification purpose. There's lots of videos which shows you. Don't mistake me for I'm not showing you that, because I have a bad experience with my PayPal. My account was hacked because I was showing everything in my email, and because I'm very lazy to edit, the blur everything. So that's the reason. I really had a bad experience with showing everything, like my email, my my bank connection, all those stuff. So few things you have to do. One is email, a sign up process, very simple. There are lots of videos you can check, very easy. And the other thing is verification purpose. That is, you'll be adding your passport details as well as Emirates ID to scan and send it. That's what they'll ask you to do. So that's the basic thing. But the other most important thing is this part, which is something called how to buy cryptocurrency. The most important thing is whether you can choose from your, this can be done through this process. You can see this, you can buy it through credit card, debit card. P2P is basically you buying it through some other trader. Peer-to-peer, I wouldn't really suggest for a beginner, because you will be of lots of doubts whether it is genuine or not. Also bank transfer possible, but 99% of the people who are watching this video will be having a card, I mean debit or credit card, so that's what I would suggest to go for starting. Of course, you can go for a third party as well as this P2P bank transfer if you want to. But I would really suggest go with the card that is straightforward and simple. Bank transfer is good, but I'm trying to say you instantly you can start doing everything. That's the reason I'm saying you to go with credit debit cards. Come here, once you press here, you can go with the AED if you want, if not US dollar, as well as then what currency to buy. You have option to go straight away to buy a cryptocurrency, whether you want BTC, whether you want Ether, like an Ethereum, whatever you want. Like they have lots of Binance is so good. You have lots of variety of currency to buy. But I would suggest don't go buy directly that one. Buy USDT. Press US. This is like a stable coin which I would suggest to buy. This USDT. Press because this is like 3.72. That is that is the basic currency exchange. For $1 you get 3.67, right? 3.73 you're getting. So this is what. So for I would suggest whatever the amount you want to buy, put that amount and buy USDT. This is the basic thing to do. After you buy, continue. You will go through the process. That's simple. You put your card details, you'll buy it. But of course, this all things you can do after your verification process only. But the most important thing is buy in USDT. After you buy in USDT, once you are inside, you can always convert that USDT into BTC. You convert like same. It will be like you'll be putting like whatever the USDT at the top, like you'll be this, and you'll be converting it here. Spend on that amount, and you'll be choosing whichever the amount you are going to buy. So this is what you'll be. This is something called transfer, like sell here. This is what it is. Buying and selling. First is you buy USDT. Then in the selling process, you'll have this one. Spend the my USDT. I'll push like USDT. This is what you would have bought first, and then from here you buy BTC or whatever. Okay, this is showing me. This is showing me the currency actually. Once you bought it, it will show you the. It will show you the what do you call your cryptocurrencies. Not this one. This is inside because I'm not going into my account and showing you. That's the reason it is showing like that. If not, you'll have that account here. How much amount, and then you'll have BTC, whatever it is. You'll be putting it the ether, whatever it is. You'll put it. You'll get that one. Okay, that's the basic thing, guys. This is most important thing is first I would suggest buy only USDT. After buying USDT, you can always transfer that into your cryptocurrency like BTC, Ether, and stuff. That's the straightforward process here. So this is what I would suggest. See, it's showing me AZ. Then it's not AZ. So let me put only AED. Normally I buy it in AED. Okay. This is what I would suggest go for initially to start to buy a cryptocurrency. This is the first cryptocurrency exchange which I showed you, Binance. Of course, I'm not going to show you inside. Don't mistake me. It is so much. It has to go through. I had to show through everything. I'm not going to show you now. For this video, at least, I'm not going to show you. You can check out my other videos. I will try to do a different video on that. It's just a buying process in this video I showed you. The second exchange which I would suggest is, here we go. This is something called Dashboard, which I'm going. Sorry, it's called BitOasis. This is a locally open exchange in UAE. It is regulated by UAE authority, and they are tied up with Dubai Police. So it is more secure. I would say they compared to Binance, this is not like, I wouldn't put this BitOasis at the top. Of course, Binance is at the top, of course, because of lots of choice of currency. Because with this, you have only 20 currencies to choose in the basic model. If you go into the pro model, you have more cryptocurrencies to choose. But it's good one. Why it is good? Because With this exchange, you can withdraw your money to your local bank for free. Okay, and also you can deposit the money from the bank to this exchange for free, which was recently announced only like a month ago. I think two weeks ago or something. They announced this one. Previously, they used to charge you 60 dirhams. That's the reason I chose BitOasis, because although 90% of the people, they might not like this one, but end of the day, that's not the matter. What matters is that if it is useful for you. Of course, you can do the trading in buying and selling in Binance, and then when it comes to cryptocurrency exchange like depositing and withdrawing, you can use this one, of course. And one more thing is, if you want to hodl, it's called holding the currency for long, they have the best choices. Even though they have the 20, they have all my favorite, which I would suggest. I mean, I don't want to suggest, no financial advice, but they have those currencies like the ones which are really, really quality ones. If you want, just comment below, I'll reply to it, which are the coins to buy. I have done a video separately on TikTok where I say which currencies are really, really good in BitOasis. You can check that out. But if you really want, you can just comment below, I'll reply to it, which are the good currencies to buy to start with, to hodl. Not for trading, which is like if you want to, for the long term, you want to hodl that coin, you can buy it from here. That's really a good place, I would suggest. But why I would suggest is same, like for buying, same. So go buy everything as the same. Go what you want to buy, BTC, and then you come and buy, put one BTC I want to buy. It will automatically give you the $223,000 dirhams. Okay, that's the money. That's how huge it is. Buy when you buy, it will give you the option to how much. Yeah, of course I didn't put fund here. There's no fund here that says no. So this is one way to buy, saying that after you have the money inside the bank account transfer, you will be able to buy through this, and it say buy on. Now it's showing me no sufficient fund. This is straightforward purpose. But before this, what you'll be doing is you will be going through the verification process. Yeah, I can show you this one, because this is like where is that thing? Yeah, here it is. You will be going through this verification process where, see, I have only verified for the first one because I'm not going to do much big transactions here. You'll be giving a national ID, and you will be going yourself. So you have to do a selfie of your face, as well as a residential address, your details you need to put. This is what you have to do, verification process, before you deposit money. Okay, this is the depositing process. Before you do this, you have to do that one. Okay, this is exactly you do buying and selling like currency. Sorry, this is, I'm saying only for buying currency. Okay, this BitOasis is locally one. The reason why I would suggest this one is two things. One is, I said, it's more control now. It's tied up with Dubai police, so you're kind of in a safe hands. Of course, nothing is safe in online. Everything can be hacked. So that's why you have to be very careful. But to buy and to hodl, you can use this. And most importantly, for withdrawing for free, use this purpose. Use this BitOasis. Okay, that's the reason I am suggesting this second exchange. The third and my favorite exchange is KuCoin. Okay, although I have signed up with all of exchanges, guys, but this is a video only for beginner. I don't want to bombard you with go here, go here, go here. I would suggest you go with these three to start with. Mainly if you're based in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, go with these three to start with. First Binance, BitOasis, and now this KuCoin. Why KuCoin? Is because you will be able to find something called low cap gems, because you will not be able to make big amount of, you can't make big money with Bitcoin or Ethereum, okay, because it's already pumped up. You can make only with the low cap coins, which you can find only in KuCoin. Okay, refer my other videos where I talk about those things. Okay, but just this video is only to show you how to and where to start with. Okay, this is the same thing. You do this verification process, everything, and then come here to buy. When you press buy, you can fast buy. They have like P2P, same like Binance, third party. Come here, whether I told right, how you're going to buy. Whether you're going to buy USDT, but here you will not have AED, you will have only USDT. And you type in the amount, I want to have 100 or 1,000, whatever it is, just buy. You will have option to buy it through the card. Okay, this is like a straightforward process. Of course, when you press, it will give you the charges. That charges, it is something unavoidable. The charges is, I found out about all these things. You will have Binance seems to be my favorite one. Of course, BitOasis as well. I didn't really go through that process. I can see that charges are okay. I would say if you want to really save some money in exchanges, I would suggest go with Binance as well as BitOasis. BitOasis also, I'm not sure much, but there's something which is not avoidable. It's unavoidable stuff. You will lose amount in currency when you buy through these exchanges, but you have to see where to make it cheaper. That's your process of finding it out where to buy cheaper. But I would suggest go with Binance if you want to save some money to start with. Okay, of course Binance also charges you. There's no doubt it does also charges, but little lesser than the other ones. Okay, but yeah, the process is simple. You sign up through an email. I said email, try to use an email which is not used by your normal day process, and then use a phone number, and try to, if you have a new number it's good, but keep it safe. And then the most important thing is buy USDT to start with, and then trade it with other currencies. Okay, so this is top three, guys. I would say Binance, this one, and BitOasis. BitOasis, as I said, it's good for withdrawing mainly, and hodl the top. I am my favorite top currencies are here where you can hodl it. You can keep it for long term. All these exchange links are in my description. All of them are affiliate links. I'm honest with you. I make a small commission when you sign up through my process. Of course, you also get some, like say, like a trading discount, trading fee discount. I'm not sure how much, but they say that one. But I appreciate if you click through my link. It's my affiliate link. I make some commission. So I'm honest with you. If you're still now in watching this video, the tip which I told you as a beginner, here we go. The most important tip. Just to get an example, you know about CoinMarketCap. That's the place you need to start to see about and learn about each and every currency. I just press Sandbox. You can see the amount, how much it is, and how much it was for the last 1 month, last 1 year, everything. And you can see the most important thing is the market cap, the volume, and see where to buy. If you come down, this is where you can buy through Binance, KuCoin. See, my favorite exchange is already there. This is more than enough. 90% you'll be able to find in the Binance, KuCoin, and that's where you kickstart your journey. Okay, that's where you can come. And if you want to learn about the most important, you can check out my other video. I don't want to make this video long. Always before buying, do the research. Go into their website. See this website. Go into their website. When you press it goes to the website. Go through their website, what they do and stuff. But the tip what I wanted to give you is, the biggest mistake people do is they see people like me or people like all those top guys in YouTube, TikTok, as they say, Sandbox is the best cryptocurrency for metaverse, and straight away beginner go and buy it. This is the biggest mistake you do. You don't do the research, and today you see it's only 25% up. It's a lot. If you come to the graph here, if you see it was like 3.2. This was 1 day. See the 7 days. It was less, like 2.56. It was like 2.4441. If you go the 1 month route, it was very less, like 0.84. This is like, it is already pumped up. But what I would suggest is, if you are now here today 3.96, I will say not to buy. Always remember, the most important tip I learned as a beginner is, anything which goes up, it will come down. Whether it is crypto or trading or your FX trading, everything. Always this 3.96, if you see tomorrow or day after tomorrow, or even if it is keep pumping, it will come down. Please wait for it to come down and then buy. Always, it is the best part to buy is to buy when it is in red. It will be bleeding. We call it as bleeding. 3.96, when it is here, you can see this 3.25 is green, right? It will be showing you minus 10, minus 20. That is the best time to buy. Not when it is pumped up like this. No. This is the biggest mistake I did. Of course, if you have big money, you're not bothered about money, you go buy it. I'm not telling. But if you're on budget and if you want to really make a good trade, always buy when it is in red. At least minus 5, minus 10, minus 20. It keeps going down. That is the time you need to enter any trade, anything if you want to buy. That is the most important tip, guys. Never ever listen to me or to any YouTubers. Of course, we do the research and we tell. Of course, Sandbox is doing good. We will tell. That's what we do. But doesn't mean you go and buy. You wait for the correction and then you buy. This is what the most important mistake people do when you're buying a new currency. This is the biggest mistake. I also did. I keep buying, and then the next day I see it goes to like minus 10%. Oh my God. Ya Allah. So please don't do that mistake. That's the biggest tip I could give you. Although you listen to me and to other YouTubers, do your own research. Any profit or any loss, it is me who's accountable for me when I buy. And it is you who is accountable whether it is profit or loss. Never blame anybody. This is the game of doing research. Okay, you need to be like, of course it is very hard to go straight to technical analysis, but the basic research, if you do, at least 70-75% you are in the safe hands. But like, at least if you do what I told you now, at least after that you have to do technical analysis and make sure the project is good, all those stuff, when to buy, where to buy, like when to buy. That is the most important thing actually. But when you want to do hodl for long years, like few years to come, you can always be like doing this one, buying it on a dip. That is the biggest thing you can do. It's a good thing you can do. That's it, guys. I don't want to make the video long. So the three exchanges, BitOasis, Binance, and KuCoin is the best place to start. All the links are there in my description. I appreciate if you can click through my link. And if you're first time watching, make sure to subscribe through my channel. I do lots of videos on affiliate marketing, make money online, and all those scams whichever are happening in crypto, as well as all those tips and tricks about cryptocurrencies. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.